Hello, I'm David from the Gabriella Miller Kids First Data Resource Center, or the Kids First DRC. This video will give you an overview of the training, research support, and publishing resources available through the Kids First DRC, and where to apply for research support through the Gabriella Miller Kids First Pediatric Research Program. The Kids First Help Center is a place where you can find support for Kids First data and platforms. You can find the Kids First Help Center on kidsfirstdrc.org under the Resources menu. You can also navigate to the Help Center from the Kids First portal using the Resources drop-down in the top right of the screen. The Getting Started section provides guides to help you log into the Kids First portal, create an account, and find information about currently available Kids First studies. You can also find information about the available data resources and learn how to connect to Kids First supported cloud analysis platforms such as Cavatica and Pizzi Bioportal. You can also check out other videos in the Kids First Support Series playlist, which are linked in the video description below. The Data Exploration section provides an overview of the functions of the Kids First Data Explorer, including how to apply filters and create queries, how to select participants or data files, and how to export projects to Cavatica. You can browse variants using the Variant Explorer and apply filters to narrow your search by allele frequency, pathogenicity, and more. You can also find the Kids First Data Dictionary under Data Exploration section of the Help Center, which provides definitions for key terms used throughout our portal. Cloud credits can be used to support research on Cavatica and run analysis workflows or perform interactive analyses in the Data Cruncher tool. You can apply for cloud computing credits through the Kids First Cloud Credits program. Instructions are provided within the Kids First Help Center under the Analyzing Data section. To participate, send an email to kidsfirst@od.nih.gov with Kids First Cloud Credits Pilot in the subject line. A member of the NIH Kids First Working Group will follow up with you with additional information. For further details on the Cloud Credits program, navigate to the National Institutes of Health or NIH Common Fund website. Also on the NIH website, you'll be able to find current research support opportunities for data analysis projects through the NIH Common Fund's Notice of Funding Opportunity listed in the left-hand column. These awards are intended to support small research projects focused on analysis of Kids First datasets. Information on current funding opportunities and research support opportunities of various types, including application deadlines, eligibility, and application instructions, is all available on the Kids First NIH website. Now I'll show you how to attribute Kids First in your publication, poster, or other published works. Make sure to include the dbGaP PHS number for each Kids First study when citing Kids First data in your methods or acknowledgments section of a publication. Specific language is also available in the Frequently Asked Questions section of the NIH Kids First program website. Using the dbGaP identifiers makes it easy for others to reference the Kids First studies and data you used in your publication. You should indicate that these data are part of the Gabriella Miller Kids First data resource and are available through dbGaP, and then list specific PHS study identifiers for the study or studies that you used. Providing attribution allows other researchers to find data and connect to additional information and resources through the Kids First Data Resource Center. Virtual office hours are another way you can get support for your questions about the Kids First suite of analysis platforms, where you can talk with experts about the Kids First portal, as well as Cavatica and Pizzi Bioportal. Office hours are held virtually every third Thursday of each month. Check out the Kids First DRC Help Center for frequently asked questions, as well as other resources. And don't forget to watch the other videos in the support series in this video description. Thanks for watching.